My dogs are loving these Ora-Clens. They look forward to it every morning after their walk. As you can see, they're very excited. This is what they look like up close. These are great. It takes them about, 2 to 5 minutes to finish. They absolutely love them. Good girl. Good joy. Good girl. They love to take them to their beds. As a dog owner, highly recommend. We're going to have to get some more because we are almost out.